Well, hospitals need gloves and masks and gowns more than ever right now.
Savannah Fish reporting from where you can make a donation. Savannah.
That's right, you guys. There is a nationwide shortage for personal protection equipment that's used by nurses, doctors, first responders, all reacting to the COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic. And you guys, there's a PPE drive that's being held today. There's actually a couple. So to tell us a little bit more about that, I have some of the organizers that are organizing the drives today. Good morning, ladies. How are you doing?
Good morning.
Good. So tell me a little bit about the drive. Why did you guys decide to host it, and how urgent is this drive?
So Jerry contacted me earlier this week and simply asked for just one box of masks to help the hospital out, and I just decided that wasn't enough. So we put together a drive and asked our whole community. We started with dentists, but now we've reached out to anyone that has any personal protective equipment available.
Yeah.
And are making sure that everyone that's on the front line has what they need.
Yeah, and you're on the front line. We're just talking about your schedule and how crazy that's been. I mean, what are the different supplies that you guys are really in desperate need of?
I think mostly masks, gloves, disposable gowns, hand sanitizer, disinfectant wipes for our surfaces. We're in incredibly short supply. At one point this week, we realized we had 6 days of masks left for an epidemic that is likely to last for months. So I thought of Hillary and knew she was the supreme organizer, so reached out to her, and what they've done so far has just really exceeded my wildest dreams.
Yeah, what do people need to know? I mean, these really are going to make an impact and potentially saving lives.
Yeah, this, especially for frontline healthcare workers and the patients we care for, will save lives incredibly. More lives than that will be saved if people just stay home as much as possible. That's probably the real cure for this epidemic, but this right now, in the time of greatest need, is going to be life-saving.
Yeah, so let's talk about the procedure of how this is going to work today. There's a couple of different locations. We have those up on your screen right now, but how is this going to work? What are the rules?
So basically, we're asking you don't come if you've had a cough, fever, or someone in your household has had a cough or fever within the past 48 hours. And then we're also asking that you load everything that you have in your trunk so you do not have to get out, and we can practice social distancing. And just drive on up and someone will unload your trunk for you, and we'll get it this afternoon right away to the hospitals.
Awesome. And then let's just go over the equipment one more time, like the different things that people can donate, unused, of course.
We need gloves, masks, hand sanitizer, and disinfectant wipes or cleaner that's designed for surfaces. And if anybody's got disposable gowns, those are helpful too.
Awesome. All right, you guys. Well, we're going to have some more information on these drives on Fox 17 online and on our mobile news app for more information there. So you can head over there and check that out. And we'll be live here every half hour leading up to the event. So make sure you stay with us. But for now, live in Grand Rapids, Savannah Fish, Fox 17 News.